The selection of the head of school is one of the greatest responsibilities of trusteeship, and I know the rest of the board joins me in feeling privileged, to have thoroughly exercised that responsibility and to have arrived with Tom Cangiano.
نلتقي اليوم لنحتفي سوياً بمناسبة تولي السيد توم كانجيانو منصبه الجديد مديراً لمدرسة ACS. سينجح في تعزيز مسيرة ACS العريقة، وسينجح في فتح آفاق جديدة أمام تلامذة ACS وفريق عملها.
Think about the challenges that you see every single day. Try to fix them today, fix them tomorrow, and be involved in this community, both at ACS and globally.
ACS is home. To me, the hallways, the fields, the classrooms, principals, teachers, students, staff, everybody that works in this beautiful community has a special place in my heart. Thank you, Mr. Cangiano, for believing in Lebanon, in ACS.
Our community's been thrust into life, and here was our ship's new captain choosing to be thrust into our challenges and ask the big question. We move with purpose, with conviction, not despite the circumstances, but precisely because of them. In defiance, in resistance, in revolution, ACS remains a haven of positive thought and change in Lebanon.
When I told people that I was moving to Beirut to become head of ACS, I have to say that they all thought I was a little crazy. Why would you move to a country that hasn't had a functioning government for over a year? Why would you move to a city where electricity, petrol, medicine, and even food items are in short supply, where corruption is rampant? I believe in the power of education to transform society. And schools like ACS, with its commitment to values that are so important and so needed, especially here in Lebanon, play an extremely important role in that broader societal mission.
All we need is hope, and for that we have each other again, and for that we have each other. I'll rise like the day, I'll rise up in spite of the ache, I'll rise up 1,000 times again.
On behalf of the Board of Trustees, it is my honor and pleasure to formally, ceremonially install ACS's 14th head of school, Tom Cangiano.